When it's time to advance to greater independence, it's time for the Medline Empower Rolling Walker. The Empower Rolling Walker offers user-focused design and versatility. With a few simple adjustments, you can fine-tune the handles, seat, and backrest to get the perfect fit for every function. What's even more impressive is the unique Step Inside design. Just flip the seat up and step inside Empower for all-around support. It gives you more room to walk for a relaxed, improved stride. For around the house, the Step Inside design provides easier accessibility to sinks and countertops without reaching or leaning. Just step up close to do everything from shaving to cooking to doing dishes. When it's time to sit down, the backrest flips forwards and backwards for comfortable seating in either direction, and the handles fold in so you can sit up close to desks and tables. In addition, Empower has practically everything else you could ask for in a rolling walker. Large 8-inch wheels for stability, loop-style easy squeeze brakes, a spacious memory foam seat that's 35% larger than most rollators, a sturdy design with a 300-pound weight capacity. There are also lots of well-thought-out convenience features, with a roomy neoprene storage bag, organizer tray, removable zippered storage pouch, and a folding cup holder. You can keep everything you need in easy reach. And when it's time to travel, Empower folds fast and flat and weighs just 17 pounds. For the mobility challenged, the Empower Rolling Walker represents a big step forward towards greater independence, offering the stability, adjustability, portability, and comfort that can make a real difference in people's lives.